So this would be my super fun opening where I say, hi, my name's Jenny and I'm giving you Arizona because I'm going to go to Arizona. But, you know, the audio didn't record and I have no idea why. At some point here, I talk about the fact that I pulled a rib muscle, so I'm only doing one hike, and I'm going to stop on my way to Arizona. But, yeah, let's just go on with the show. Hey guys, what's up? Are you coming over because you think I'm going to give you some fries? Well, hang on a second. I got something even better. Oh, yeah. Who travels with birdseed? That would be me. Because I'm not giving you my French fries. But I will hook it up with something that's good for your body. Oh, here comes some more. You better put some more out for your friends. We got a whole bunch. Okay, we better put out some more food. Jenny, what have you started? Maybe I'm not supposed to feed the birds, but it seems way better than the French fries they're begging for. Okay, now the party is on. What's up with that guy in the corner, though? That guy right there. Anybody? Anybody? You guys are pumped. Yeah? Oh, we got that guy over there. You're different. Are you not so happy because you don't get any? I think I'm still talking a lot. Pigeons of Las Vegas. I drive past this Scenic Overlook every time I go to Arizona. And it's really busy. I got one of the last parking spots. I'm gonna go see what this overlooks. I think it's Lake Mead. Okay, so before walking to the overlook, I stopped here, a little monolith thing, and I wonder if I am going to see the dam. Because like I said, I just drive past it. I never stop at the overlook. And I've wanted to go into the Hoover Dam now since COVID. Like right before COVID, I realized I could take a tour. Because I'm not sure why I didn't realize that, but I can take a tour. And so we'll see, maybe they'll open that back up in May. Let's take a look at this thing. You can see the freeway. You can only access it from one side of the freeway. Going east on the 93. Oh, we got sticker graffiti. I found sticker graffiti. And we'll see what we see. Also, we have a ramp and stairs, so it's ADA friendly, which is good. I'm gonna take the ramp because of my pulled muscle, but oh, yeah. Well, there's things to read. I have to be up there. Nice. You are at the Robert Mendenhall Scenic Overlook Pass. So basically, this entire scenic overpass and overlook is for a man who did construction in Las Vegas. And this is a memorial to him. Okay, it looks like we got some boards about the different desert plants found in the area. It's a little informational about the Colorado River. A little bit about desert wildlife. There are no facilities here. There's no restroom, vending machines. There's trash cans and this really beautiful overlook dedicated to Bob. Currently waiting. I'm gonna go over here, take a picture. I've driven past this quite a few times, so now we know what this is. And shout out to Bob Mendenhall. I didn't even know who you were. And this is your memorial, and now I know about you, and you made a lot of roads. Okay, so let's see what else we can find on the way to Arizona. Okay, so I got back in the car and got driving again, and then when you get over the hill from Boulder City, there is another scenic view. So I pulled over. And of course we got graffiti, but, oh, look at that. It is a river. That was a beautiful little lookout. You know me and my graffiti, and it looks like the entire brick bench. This must be like a place where people come out of Vegas and hang out. Looks like this whole bench thing is just got graffiti all over it. Yep, got a lot of love. Nita, yeah, see, there's a lot of like hearts and things of that nature. We got some nail polish graffiti. That's recent. Yeah, which would make sense. I mean, if you were in the woods, you would have, you know, like the overlook and the trees and stuff. But for sure, best ever trip. Oh, a sweatshirt. Some more nail polish for the pavement, maybe. I'm gonna post the graffiti video on my Instagram and Facebook page. For those of you who don't know or are new, I have an Instagram which connects to my Facebook page, so either one are pretty much the same. And also I have my YouTube, but I give you different content on my Instagram. If you are interested in things like that, come follow along with me on Instagram. I got some paint pen. Now I do find it interesting that you just everywhere on the actual sign, because like there's just like so much stuff, right? There's just like so much space. Like, why are you on the sign? And look at this, even there, it's even coming out over the edge here. But you know, people gonna do what they do. Yeah, you got some more graffiti on the sides here. Elder. Yeah, see, this is not, if not now, it will be never. Oh, that's not true. That's definitely not true. Just because it's not now doesn't mean it's never. It's not now because it's not now. It might be now later. Okay, back on the road. It's probably really good that my dad said he's gonna just not wait for me for dinner because I'm a little late. Well, not late. Like I've mentioned, time is different for me, so all of a sudden I'm on clock time. Get back on the road and see what else we can find on the 93 to the 40. Just kidding. I don't think there's any other scenic passes, but we never know. So I've come to Prescott today, and my dad and Robin are taking me to this place called the Palace Saloon.
Well, there was a big fire here in 1900 and burned down most of downtown. Well, the patrons of the Palace Bar carried the bar across the street and drank and watched the Whisky Row burn down. That's the story that's told, and the original bar is still inside the Palace Saloon.
You can see from the outside, it's right here on Whisky Row, and it's right across the street from the lovely courthouse. They have outside seating, inside seating. Just gorgeous. All right. Look at this. This is going to be great. This is a giant painting. The restroom, I've noticed that they filmed a movie here. Junior Bonner. There's scenes from the movie. There is a lot of memorabilia. A lot of memorabilia in this place. As you can see, not sure I'm gonna go interject into everybody's lunches, but we'll see what I can capture when I can capture. Look at this little, there's an American Girl up top. We got mining, all kinds of mining artifacts. Historical railroad collection I found. And mining stuff. Of course I find the mining stuff. I'm just thinking, oh, there's the Crown King mine. Someone just left a mention on my page. I believe Sean mentioned something about the Crown King. And as you can see, there's like all kinds of just stuff to just walk around and look at. Super fun place. Food was great. Here's Prescott Historical Collection. And this is the bar. This is the amazing bar that my dad just told the story about. You see the gorgeous woodwork. Here's another original saloon of Whisky Row. And what do you mean your brand is on the wall in there?
My branding iron brand.
You have a branding iron brand?
Yeah. We had a branding iron party here back in 1987 or 88.
And you created a branding iron brand?
No.
Or like a
everybody had a brand made. Mine's a crescent moon. It's on the wall, and it's also in the ladies' room.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going in. We have found, and there's Russ's Too Tall. And it's so perfect because the music just stopped. Yes! And Timmy Carter. Hey. Now we're stopping at one of my most favorite places when I come to Prescott. Because Loon and Robin are volunteers and on the board of Miss Kitty's Cat House, and it is a cat rescue shelter. So I got my mask and we get to go hang out with cats. This is Miss Kitty's Cat House. It is the local adoption center. The cats live inside the house, and you can come in. You are in the Arizona, Prescott Valley, even Sedona area, and you would like a kitten or a cat. This is where you want to be. Hello, who is here today to come and greet me? Yeah? Well, hello, if you back it on up, we can come on in. As you can see, the cats just get to hang out. all in here. They have a little room. This is a special room for if there's some cats that see. That one right there might have some social issues, might not be used to interacting with other cats, so they have areas that they keep the cats safe until they get a little more socialized. She'd be lost without Milo. And little Milo. Hi Milo. Hi baby boy. Oh, he's a big guy too. Yeah, he's pretty big, huh? Where this way? Oh, I got a pretty boy. And as Robin was saying, sometimes cats come in together. So for instance, Milo up here will have to be adopted with Sissy in here, his sister, because that's just sometimes cats come in the pairs.
Yeah, and they're not really separable.
This would be another room that they have available for cats that just, you know, that aren't quite used to the fact that they maybe have a new home. Maybe they're not used to being around other cats. Hi, buddy. This is another room where cats are separated. They take the time to kind of to see what everybody's behavior is. Hi. How are you doing? Yep, you're all by yourself now because somebody just got adopted. Okay, so this beautiful calico girl, cutie pie. This beautiful little calico girl is available for adoption. She's very sweet. She's very quiet. And generally what happens is when people come into for adoption, she's just kind of overlooked because she just kind of keeps to herself. So if you are someone looking for a nice, quiet female cat calico, Cutie Pie is your gal.